Hi, Dan with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2014 Toyota RAV4. And this one's kind of an interesting one because the customer said intermittently there would be like this real rattling noise, but it wouldn't do it all the time. Sometimes it would do it when they were turning, sometimes it was when they were straight, sometimes when they were slowing down. So we said, okay, sure, yeah, bring it in, we'll take it for a drive and see what we can figure out. And sure enough, it was a very odd thing. You drive it and it would make these weird noises and then it would stop and then you'd slow down and it would start doing it again. We drove it around in the parking lot and we could get it to do it. And the technician said, I think there's something inside the tire that's causing this issue. So I was like, all right, let's lift it up. We broke the tire down and sure enough, somewhere along the way, somebody had put a new tire pressure monitor in, but they did not verify that the actual monitoring device was snapped into the valve stem. And what had happened is it had fallen down and it was rolling around inside the tire and it would intermittently bang up against the rim. So we got it put back into place, properly secured, put the tire back on, took the vehicle for a drive, and sure enough, the noise was gone. Finding these weird intermittent noises or, things that it seems like kind of come and go, that's one thing that we're more than willing to take a chance and do some investigating and diagnosing and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. So if you've got a vehicle that's making some rattles that you're not quite sure where they're coming from, or if the vehicle is safe to drive, we do offer free inspections. So please feel free to give us a call. My name is Dan. I look forward to seeing you at the shop. Please share this video so other people out there like you can get this information.